Hi guys, it's me. I'm in my van again. Van again. And today I'm going to show you a Westfalia hack my wife discovered somewhere in the internet. She is an internet pro. I don't know where she gets all that stuff. But I'm happy to build all that stuff for her. This time I'll show you how you can convert the Westfalia swing table into a swing and how do you call it, rise up table, so you can swing it as you know, plus you can rise it up and fix it in the height you need it to. That makes it easier if you have a child seat on the back seat, so you can lift it up and then turn it before you over the child seat. You can have it in a standing height, so you can prepare the meal or chopping while cooking, or you have it as a great additional table while cooking. And while sleeping you have a 2-story shelf next to the bed. It's awesome. I'll show it to you when it's done. Now I'll show you what you need. You need a short screw, a longer screw, 2 discs, oh, and a little piece of wood, a board, a very thin board. That's it. That's all you need. I'll show you how it's done. Du meinst, wie sie zu dir gekommen sein kann? Ja, das ist eine gute Frage, ne? Hast du mich schon Hurra schreien hören? Ziehen wir mal den Schraubenzieher von dem Teil. Yeah, and that's it. Pretty easy hack. All with the original parts, only this little board and the wooden pole. You could probably use anything else as an extension. You could use a pipe or I don't know, but this wooden pole works very well and it offers you 1,000 possibilities you didn't have with the old table, and it is way less annoying when moving around than the old one. Have fun with your van. Bye.